Good morning. For today's video, I'm gonna feature a byproduct of the pili tree, which is the pili sap. And if you like this kind of video, please like and subscribe. First, dito po kami kumukuha ng pili sap. That's where we get the pili sap from aging pili tree. Yes. See that? That's the pili sap. Yes, exactly. That is the pili sap. It's an aging pili. Pulot here in the Bicol region. Pili is regarded as the tree of life by the Bicolanos, because marami po doon na nakukuha ng mga product like the pili candy and the pili fruit. The tree itself is very strong, and one of the sources of income here in Bicol is selling pili candy for the pasalubong. And if other province, they one of the sources of income of the farmers here in Bicol is the pili products, the pili, the lagting. Yun po yung tinatawag dito, yung lagting. Yun po yung uh, laman ng pili. At isa po ito sa mga one of the kabuhayan of the Bicolanos. And here with me is what we call in English the pili sap, or the pulot here in Bicol. Uh, Pulot is used as an igniter for the firewood when cooking, and some use it as a ingredients for making herbal products like oil liniment and yung mga pangpahid or mga inaamoy ng mga medyo may edad na. And it is used also as a one of the ingredients to make perfumes in other provinces, and it is very, this is not edible, I'm not going to eat this just to get more views. And I'm just kidding. And yung pili product po na ito ay ito po ay marami din siyang, that's it. And that is the product, one of the product of the pili tree, yung pili sap, ginagamit sa pag-ignite, sa pagluluto, at ginagamit din siya na ingredients sa paggawa ng mga liniment and oil liniment and pabango. So if you like this video, you can support me by clicking the like button and subscribe button. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for the support, and shout out to all my subscribers. I really appreciate you. Thank you.